We're going to be talking about an online application called Blendspace, which is a tool that teachers and students can use to create lessons that showcase a broad range of technology resources and is interactive for students as well. So I already started a lesson myself, so we're going to click on the lesson, and then up on the top on the display page, it lists your standards. So it has the Common Core standards that you can refer back to while you're making your lesson. It has different templates, so you can use square, grid, bar, or any of these trios. But I'm going to use the grid formation. And there are different themes that you can use. You can use colors, or you can use dark. But since I do not have the full version of Blendspace, I can only use these. And then once you're done, you can press play and your video can be complete. So first we want to find our resources, and we can find them by searching them on TES, YouTube, Google, Flickr, Guru, or we can insert a web page or upload files from our computer or Dropbox, Google Drive. I have already found websites, so I am going to simply copy and paste them into my search box, so I can find my resources and I can discover new ones here. So this is the video that I want, but if you're unsure, you can press preview and it will send you to the video right away, or the website that you are looking at. So I'm going to click and I'm going to drag it over to this first box. And then I am going to do the same thing for the other websites that I found. So this is a fun website that students can access to find how to differentiate between credible sources, or what is credible and what isn't credible. So we can look this up on either TES, and notice that TES doesn't have any good results, so we're going to look this up on Google. So I see that it says the KYVL for Kids Research Portal on how to research Homebase. So this is something that I think I would want, so I'm going to preview it and I am going to decide whether or not I want it. So this looks good, so I'm going to go back to the site and I am going to click and drag it into my second grid. I'll click out of these, and the next website I found was about explorers. So I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste that into our Google search as well. And so I'm going to preview this. And this looks like a good website, so students can click on the explorer that they want to research. So I'm going to click on Christopher Columbus, and then they will have to answer these 3 questions using these internet sources, and one of them is credible and one of them is not. And then they will have to determine which one they think is credible and which one they think is not, and the similarities and differences between the 2 sites, and why we can't always believe everything that we read on the internet. So I'm going to click and drag that over here. And then I think I'm going to add a text. So I'm going to click on the font that I want and the size as well. And then I'm going to click Done. And you can add a quiz as well. So that is what I already did previously. So, and then I can go back and edit the quiz. But you type in your question, and then you can add answers as you go and click the one that is the correct answer. And so once you do that, you can continue to add resources and different rows. But if you're done, then you can simply press play, or you can print your lesson as well. And that is all for Blendspace.